recipe, I am going to do fricassee pork. So I'm using 1 pork rib. And this is the male pig. So I cut 1 pork rib or pig rib into couple pieces, around medium pieces, medium sizes I should say. And then I wash with water. So now into this pot is about 2 cups of water. And to the water, let me wash my hands. To the water, I am gonna add some salt. Around ½ teaspoon of salt. And I am gonna add some pimento seeds as well. That is called allspice in other countries. Then I am gonna add the pork pieces into the water. I am also gonna add scallion. It's around 2 stalks scallion, piece of fresh thyme, half of 1 onion, 5 cloves garlic, 2 small pieces of ginger root, and 3 peppers. And I'm using the green pepper because it's mainly for flavor than eat. So what I'm gonna do now is to cover the pot, and I'm gonna scald the pork, as we say in Jamaica, until the skin becomes tender, but it's kind of boiled still. We have to boil the pork until the skin becomes tender. So right now I'm gonna put this pot on high heat, medium high heat, and I'm gonna cook the pork, or scald the pork as we say in Jamaica, until the skin becomes tender. Okay, so the pork is scald as we say in Jamaica. It's practically boiled as I mentioned before, and the skin is soft, and then I remove it from the water and put it on this paper towel to drain, because you have to get rid of the excess water from the pork as much as possible. So now I am going to season the pork with spices, because remember I already boiled the pork, so no more water will be added to it, right? Now I taste the pork, and a little bit more salt is needed. Remember that I add some salt, around ½ teaspoon of salt into the water, and then boil the pork, but I taste it right now and it needs a bit more salt. So I am gonna add around ½ teaspoon more salt to it. I am also gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. And black pepper, around ½ teaspoon of each spices. And I am also gonna add some badia complete seasoning. This is pork, so I tend to use a lot of strong flavored spices or strong flavors. am also gonna add a little bit of smoked paprika. And that is about the amount of spices that I will be using. Now I am gonna just rub in the spices, or rub the spices onto the pieces, pork pieces, as much as possible. I'll put it gentle as well, because remember that the meat is already cooked. So what I'm gonna do now is to brown this, right? So no more water will be added to it. So in this container, I have some seasoning that I will be using as well, and you will see how I use the seasoning. So I have 1 small onion, 2 hot peppers, and a piece of sweet peppers, red sweet pepper, and 1 small tomato. And that is it. So I am gonna brown the pork in this skillet on low medium heat. I'm using a small burner, so you know the fire is not as big as if I was using a large burner. So it's medium heat on the small burner, because I do not want the oil to becomes dirty. So I'm not gonna use a lot of fire or put a lot of fire. Just gonna let it take its own time and brown the meat. So I pour in enough oil to cover the bottom of the skillet, and I'm using my favorite oil, which is vegetable oil. So you can use your favorite oil. So the oil is hot, so I am gonna put the pork pieces into the hot oil. And the thing that I do not like with the pork skin is that it tends to flop a lot. See? It's flopping a lot, so what I did was to cover the skillet. And then when I'm gonna turn the pork, I'm gonna remove the skillet from the heat, turn it, and then put it, and then return it to the heat, because it is popping a lot, and I do not want any oil splatters all over the kitchen counter, kitchen curtain, or the stove, or anything like that. So I just gotta do that. So I remove the skillet from the heat, and then I'm gonna open it and turn the meat. Because I have to do this because it is popping way too much, and I do not want hot oil all over the camera, all over the kitchen counter. I'm gonna add 2 pieces more because I have space. So basically what I'm gonna do is to just brown the meat, right? So I am gonna come back after I did that. Now I am gonna return the skillet to the heat, and I am gonna cover it before it starts popping. I finished browning the pork, which was a challenge because it kept popping, but I finished. So now I have some oil into the same skillet that I that I browned the pork into, because do not change the oil, because all the flavors are at the bottom of the skillet. That's why I said you should brown the pork on low heat so that the oil does not become dirty. Now I am quickly gonna add the spices, not the spices, the fresh herbs, and make sure that the heat is on low. So the fresh herbs are translucent. So what I'm going to do now is to add some water, not a lot. And I am going to put the heat on medium. And I am going to add some ketchup. Around a tablespoon of ketchup. I'll give it a stir. What I'm going to do next, I am going to cover this and just let it cook and come together before I add the pork pieces. So now you're gonna taste and see if more salt is needed. Yes, it can use a bit more salt. So I'm gonna add the salt. This amount of salt will do. I am gonna add the pork pieces. And then I'm gonna spoon over the gravy. So I'm gonna cover it. Just let it come together for a bit, let it simmer. So this is it. Fricassee pork. I am gonna have this just with 2 fingers of boiled green bananas and piece of ripe plantain, boiled ripe plantain, no dumplings and no fried plantain. I'm gonna boil the plantain because fried plantain contains a lot of calories. I eat fried plantain sometimes, but I mostly boil the plantain because less calories, because it contains, when the plantain is ripe, it contains a lot of calories more than when it is green. And then you fry it in the oil, so it's double calories right there. So I'm gonna boil it and have it with a piece of this pork. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and click the post notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video.